company coming up with a phone that you compare to Apple, for example, which is very popular. And the phone doesn't have anything besides what the Apple phone has. So it has the same quality, the same features, everything the same. Similar in terms of like look quality. Okay, so it's just pretty, but it's a company that is just trying to be established. Okay, so what happens is, because you're trying to put yourself on the market with a product that just exists on a company that is very popular, I mean, you can sell some, you can make some money, but the way I look into the companies to invest is, okay, I want to find the companies that will shoot up to the moon. So for that to happen, they kind of need a phone that is a major improvement to the current one. Okay, in this case a phone, but it could be any product. So they have to come up with a product either already exists and it's a massive improvement to a current existing product, or just a new product that is being developed. And I want to let you know that there's a bunch of new products that are just irrelevant because they don't provide very much utility. Okay, like they're not very useful. And the way I usually look at this is, okay, is this a thing that people can adopt? Will people actually adopt something like a new product? Realistically speaking, I try to put myself into the common people's shoes and try to understand if it makes sense or not. And there's a bunch of new products that just don't justify to invest in as well. So, but yeah, this is something that comes up with experience. So it's literally you research a bunch of companies, literally tons and tons, and then you just go by comparison. And I mean, if you can pick off a number that, I don't know, 500 or 1,000 companies that you research, if you pick 10 of the best, and then you invest in 10 of the best, even if only 5 succeed or 3 or 4, if they are startups and you invest on a proper values, meaning that you're just buying when they're low, it's very likely that even with 2 or 3 succeeding and the 7 remaining just go bankrupt, you're likely to make more money if you deploy more or less equal money to all of the 10 companies. So this is a way that I manage my own money. At least by now I'm just using this method. But for my clients, I just adapt to what they actually want. So a bunch of people do prefer to go to the safest options, which is like value companies or companies that are still developing but are already very well established on the markets, like Tesla.